Hey guys, in this video I'm going to guide you how can you download Visual Studio Code. I'll walk through all the steps, but first hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, thanks guys. Here you can see I already opened Visual Studio site. Be sure that it will be blue one, not the purple. Here is some options about download it. You can download with Mac. And you can also download by this hack kit. But I'm using Windows means laptop. So I'm going to download by this. You can download according to yours. After it, select folder and click on save. Here you can see it start downloading. It will take time. Link is provided in the description. You just simply direct click on link and you will reach the right one. Here it's almost done. vscode is downloaded. Don't go anywhere. You need to install its compiler, which is necessary. Without it, you can't use Visual Studio Code. So just scroll down on the left side. Here is the option about C++. Click on it. Again, click on this GCC option. After it, here is the search bar on the right upper corner. Search here GCC in window. After it, here is the first link. Just click on it. Here is the site open. After it, we need to install MSYS2. So scroll down a little bit. After it, here is the direct link to install. Click on it and tap on save, and here to go installation is started. It will take time. If you want to use Visual Studio Code and want to do some settings of Visual Studio Code, then watch my video how to use and do some settings of Visual Studio Code. It will show you in this video end screen. I hope you like my video. If you have any question, just comment down below, and here to go.